There's my boy. There's my Leo. Oh, there's my girl right there too. She and he are doing so good. Look at that. He's using my girl as a pillow, my baby girl Kitty. And she's over there dealing with it. She's like, I can do it. I can do this. Yeah. She's now trying to box him right now. She's getting used to it. I think she likes to cuddle. Oh, baby, you like to cuddle? You like to cuddle with Leo? Huh? Leo's on your butt, using you for a pillow. I see it. It's all happening right here on my lap again. Oh, cute boy. Oh, cute boy. Yeah, what a cute boy. What a cute boy. Oh, I made him tickle. Made him tickle spot? Hmm? He's so happy. He's always purring. I never thought Leo would be on my lap, ever. Never in a million years. Outside, never. Inside? Pretty much. He's such a good boy. He's a lover boy. Look at him. He loves it inside the house. And he loves my kitty. Yeah, you love baby girl, don't you? Huh? You guys are doing just fine. Yeah, I bet your cat's missing your big furry body at night, Leo. Your outside tribe. Huh? Yeah, what a good boy. Oh, this is so relaxing, huh? Yeah. This is so relaxing. Yeah, what a good boy. He's so happy. It's a nice pillow you got there. Yeah, very nice pillow. You guys are amazing. Amazing. You're such an amazing boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's my hand on your butt. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? What a good boy. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a good evening. Bye-bye.